How to recover TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So the best method to recover your TikTok shop is that you file an appeal, and make sure that you create an appeal video where you are holding up the sheet where it says that I am the owner of, and then add the TikTok shop name. And also there should be a picture of you where you are holding your passport, and this way you need to provide some more details about you, like your shipment details and all sort of TikTok shop related transactions, and just send the pictures and all the proofs of your shop existence. And this way you need to prove that you had a shop and it got deleted or had some problem due to TikTok site, and after that you would be able to prove that you had a shop and you are looking forward to get it back. And this way TikTok will be able to help you out and get your TikTok shop back. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.